Hello friends, welcome to Algoripo. So today we are going to see problem number 957, present cells after 7 days. So let's see what is the question. So basically you will be given a set of array, let's call it cells. So this cells size will be of 8. So we will total have indexes from 0 to 7. And the question says that let's suppose, so see here, so this is my array, given in the question. So what we have to do is that we have a condition that if, let's suppose, this is my I position in my array, so I will see I minus 1 and I plus 1 adjacent of my current index, and I will see if both are same, then my current index will be 1, or else my value will be 0. What I mean to say is that if, let's suppose, this is my this is I minus 1 and this box is I plus 1 and this is my ith index. For ith index, if my I minus 1 is 0 and my left and I plus 1 is also 0, then my value will be 1 for ith position. And let's suppose if my I minus 1 position is 1 and my I plus 1 is also 1, then also my value will be 1, because we have to check if adjacent side of ith position is same, then return will insert 1 or else will insert 0. Let's suppose if we have here 0 and for I plus 1 position I have 1, so my adjacent of ith position is different, so at the time I will change it to 0. In the same way, when I will have 1 here and I will have here 0, then also my value will not change, because the value will be 0 only. So let's see. So this is the example, right? So we have given n days, so we have to do, so we have given here 7 days. So they have given this for 0th day and we have to do it for 7 days. So see here, so they have given this is 0th day, so what we have to do, they have given 7 days, so we have to do it for 7 days. So let's see. And one more thing guys, when we see here, so this is my 0th day, when you see here, because I equals to 0 index and I equals to 7th index, because my array size is of 8, so my starting index and end index have no adjacent for both sides. For adjacent I should have both I plus 1 and I minus 1, but for this I don't have I minus 1 adjacent side, never, and here I don't have I plus 1, never. So for that we have to assign 0. So for each day, my I equals to 7th day and I equals to 0th day, the value will be 0. Fixed. So I hope this point you got. So total now we have only 6 days left, because 8 minus 2, that is 0 and 7th day, so we have total 6 days left, and we can only insert values 0 or 1. So total we have we can only insert value 0 or 1, and total we have left with 6 places, and we can only insert value equals to either 0 or 1. So total, if we see the combination, 6C2, so we have answer got 15. That is, we have solved here. I have solved here 6 factorial by 4. The formula will be n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into for NC2 NCR. So this will be R factorial. So this is the formula. So we got 15. What it means is that after C I got I got 6C2 equals to 15. What it says that, so this is day 1. It will, so till day 14, I will have different answer. But when I come to day equals to 15, that is this 15, at that time the value will be repeating. So let me explain once again this point. So this is very important point, because if you because the range of the n is very large, so we will get STL error. So for that, what we are doing, we have to see if is there any cycle, and with that cycle we have to solve that. Because if my n is let's suppose very big, so we are not going to solve for n number of times. We will see for this time my values will be different, but again after this my values will start repeating. So I have to find this point. So that point will be 14. Till 14 I will have different dates. After that my values will be start repeating. So let me give one more example. So let's say I have assigned like this. If I have for A, I have told that for A the value will be B, and for B the value will be C, and for C I have the value A. The value will be A. So what here we are doing? The value is repeating. So again when I got A, so after that this will be doing. So if I give n equals to 7, so I don't have to do 7 times. I will just have to do 1 time, second time, and third time. And at third time I know that the value is repeating. So I will just do n modulus time, and then at and here the value will be at which the number of time is repeating. So I will just do n here, that n here. So we are doing, so what we are doing, first we are finding that cycle number of times the cycle is after nth position the value start repeating. So we are finding n, and that n will be 15. We got here because we have only 6 places and we have 2 values to insert. So we have 6 places and 2 values, so 6C2, we have combination of 6. So let's see how we are going to code. So the coding will be very simple. Just we have to take care of this that condition only, STL condition, because see here here okay, so it is my n is very bigger, see 10 to the power 9. So we are not going to find till 10 power 9. We are not going to do same thing for 10 power 9 times. We will just find that repetition, and we also know that after this point the values will be going to repeat. So let's start. So what I will do, first condition what I will do is that first I will check if my n is if my n modulus of 14 n modulus 14 is equals to 0 or not, because whenever my value so let's suppose my n value is 14th day. The 14th modulus of 14 is 0, so I have to count 14, because my, see here, so when my n is see here, when my n is 14th, I have to count it as 14th day. When my n value is 15, I have to count it as first day. So day equals to 15, then I will count this day as day equals to 1. So 1, 2 till 14. Again 15th day will be my first day. So this is how repeating, because we have already know that 62 equals to 15. So this is my combination, right? So let's code now. So what I am doing, I am just finding if n is mod if okay so if my n is modulus of 0, then I will just change n value as 14, else n equals to n modulus of 14, right? And I have to create one temporary vector. Let's name it as vector as temp only, and we already know that the value of cell length will be 8, so we'll make size 8, and for every initially I will just insert till 0. So now I know that I can loop, my n value will be loop till n size I plus plus, and what we have to do, we have to check if ith position, adjacent of ith position is same, we have to return we have to insert value 1 or else return 0. So what we'll do, so for temp of I, because and we have so first we have to loop it. So my second loop will go, so this loop is for this time n times, and my second loop is for, we know that my loop will go from I to cells dot size minus 1. So what this means, this means that, so this is my 8 size, right? This is my 8, so 8 size. So we know that 0th size and 0th index and n minus 1 index will have 0 value, and this will not change. This will not change. For that I am just looping from I equals to 1 to I n minus 1 till n minus 1. And one more thing we should keep in mind is that, see here, if we see here, so the repetition will, so the repetition will start from day 1. The repetition will start from day 1 to day 7, because see here, in my input I have 0 and 1 at 0th and nth index, right? Nth index, 0 and 1th index. So this will be never repeating, because at day 7 or any day this 1 value never come here. So because here and here the 0 will be there after day 1, so my input will never repeat. So the repetition will start from day 1 to day n. So we have to keep in this in mind also, this thing in our mind. So let's start, let's continue code. So we are looping till from I equals to 1 to n minus 1, and we are checking. So we are inserting temp of I equals to not of, we are just doing XOR, because let me write it first, then I will explain. XOR of I minus 1, XOR cell of I plus 1, because XOR, so what XOR will do, if 0 and 0, if my I minus 1 and I plus 1 is same, it will give answer 0, and if it is different it will give 1, and we need, if the both is same we have to answer it 1, and if not same we have to answer it 0. So we will just do not of XOR, not of XOR, and at the end we will just change cells equals to temp, equals to temp, equals to temp. So this is for day 1, day 1 again, because you are starting from here, so this will be day 1, then it will change to day 2, then day 3, day 4, from, so from day 15, and when the day 15 will come, it will again start from day 1. But we don't have to do this, because we have already find n times, so we are just looping till n time, because n minus 1 n plus 1 time will again start from day 0 or day 1. So this is it, and after that end we will return just cells, and let's run now. So I have already tested, so we got error here. Okay, we forgot to, okay, even we have did here also. So first thing we have to do is we have to change this value as j, because in nested we do not have same variables. So let's run now and see. So finished, and it is, so my test cases are running. So let's submit now and let's see. Yes guys, so it is accepted. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like the video, if you like the solution, please press the like button, and if you are new here, please subscribe, and if you have any questions or you have any difficulty in code, please do comment. I will respond to you. Thank you guys. Thank you.